The grueling federal corruption trial of former Speaker of the Illinois House, Mike Madigan, is drawing to a close. Defense attorneys wrapping up closing arguments this afternoon.
Federal prosecutors set to present rebuttal arguments tomorrow. WGN's Julian Cruz has more from the Dirksen Federal Building.
Good evening. More than 20 hours of closing arguments in this grueling 3.5-month-long racketeering and bribery trial. Defense lawyers for co-defendant Michael McClain going on the offensive, trying to undermine the credibility of key government witness Fidel Marquez. Fidel Marquez is a liar, and you know he's a liar. Defense attorney Patrick Cotter at the Dirksen Federal Building targeting a problematic government witness, Fidel Marquez, the former ComEd vice president who wore an FBI wire leading to the 2023 conviction of the so-called ComEd 4. His more recent testimony at the separate Michael Madigan corruption trial under assault today by co-defendant Michael McClain's defense team. Mr. Marquez came into this courtroom and he looked at you, Cotter tells the jury, and he looked at all of us and lied. Lied about a civil contempt charge, which Marquez admits to under oath, part of a messy divorce proceeding where he admittedly hid money from both his wife and government investigators. Back in November, Marquez testifying he lied about an attempted Arizona gun purchase, even after accepting a 2020 plea deal with the feds in exchange for his truthful testimony. Marquez testifying he forgot about his legal problems by checking the wrong box on his firearms application form, a violation of federal law, while awaiting sentencing on his ComEd 4 felony bribery charge. Is there anybody who believes that he forgot about committing a felony, Cotter says? Defense lawyers taking aim on Marquez's many problems, hoping to create a reasonable doubt in jurors' minds in this landmark political corruption trial. 82-year-old Michael Madigan, the former Speaker of the Illinois House, and his now former friend and political fixer, 77-year-old Michael McClain, facing a 23-count criminal indictment, accused of operating their vaunted political operation like a criminal enterprise, allegedly seeking bribes and favors in exchange for official actions. Federal prosecutors set to begin their rebuttal arguments tomorrow morning. All indications are the jury will get this case before the day is over. At the Dirksen Federal Building, Julian Cruz, WGN News.